All of you, good morning. Okay, in yesterday's video, we have learned that techniques of effective coordinations. So today, we are going to study about the what? Importance of coordinations. Importance of coordination. So the importance of coordinations is explained in points. So number 1 point is increase in efficiency. Number 2 points improve in morally. Number 3 improve in personal relations. Number 4 retains good personnel. Number 5 simplifies management process. And number 6 harmonizes goals. So these are some what importance about coordinations. Okay, now I am going to explain you all the points. Okay, number 1 increases efficiency. Okay, if an effective coordination is made in all the activities of an organization, the following advantage can be achieved and organizational efficiency gets increased. It increases productivity, it brings economy in different process of function, it avoids devotees in works, it minimizes cost of production, it also minimizes distribution cost, and it increases profitability. Now it is that in an organization, if there is proper coordination is made in all the activities of the organizations or in organizations, among all the department, among all the employees, if there is proper coordinations, if there is proper communication is done, what means it can bring a lot of advantage to the organizations. So due to which what means efficiency level of the workers can get what increase, like it can increase the productivity. Okay, it can bring all the activity of the organization, it properly functions. The workers can be dutiful, more truthful. It also may minimize the cost of productions. It can increase the profitability. This type of advantage the organization can achieve if there is what proper coordination in the organizations. Now, improve morally. Effective coordination increases efficiency and ensures expansion and development of the organizations. From this, the employee gets remunerations, promotion, and special facilities and allowances. Such incentive increases morally and enthusiasm in them. Besides, the effective coordination brings improvement in human relations, communication systems, and cooperation with employees. It also makes the employees know short-term and long-term goals and motivate them to achieve these goals. Now, it is said that in an organizations, if the workers are properly coordinated, workers are satisfied. They find that the organization also has given us value. So, when such type of concept comes from the organizations, they become what? Satisfied, and their morality becomes changed. They have good morality. They become positive towards the organizations. They become, devoted towards the organizations, and they are always what? Positive towards the organizations. Their morality becomes positives. Okay, now next is what? Improving personal relations. Coordination also plays a vital role in the improvement of personal relations. The duties, authorities, and responsibilities of employees are clearly defined in the organization structure. There may be even misunderstanding and conflict among employees, department, and between employees and management. But such conflict and misunderstanding can be managed through effective coordinations, and personal relationship can be easily maintained. Now it is said that in an organization, when there is proper coordinations among all the departments, among all the employees, what means there will be proper communication among the employees, and what means employees also will be clear regarding their duties, responsibilities, and authorities. And due to some reasons, if there is some conflict, misunderstanding in an organization, so such type of conflict, misunderstanding also can be removed. They can be minimized with the help of this what? Proper coordinations, and they can be properly maintained good human relation in the organizations. Or there can be what? Personal relation in the organizations. Improving personal relation in the organizations. Okay, retain good personals. Coordination helps in evaluating performance of the employees. The evaluation system makes it easy to reward good employees. If the arrangement of rewarding good employees is made, they do not like to quit the organization and they work with the feeling that the organization is their own. They dedicate themselves to the service of the organizations. This decreases the rate of absenteeism and they do not quit the jobs. In this way, cohesion plays an improvement role in the return of good employee in the organizations. Now I said that in organizations, if the workers are given priority, if they are properly coordinated, they become cohesive to other organizations. They feel that the organization is their own. Organization is their own. Even what means if the workers in organizations are given reward and punishment, if they does work properly by the performance of their work, if they are given reward, they becomes more cohesive to other organizations. They find that organization is their own. They become always devoted to other organizations. They always becomes cohesive to other organizations. They find that they have to do something for the organizations. They have such type of feelings. And they doesn't like to quit the organizations. They doesn't like to become more absent. And they try to give 100% effort for the organizations. And what means they will determine of good personnel in the organizations or all the worker in the organizations, they can retain or they can sustain with the organizations. Okay, simplified management process. Simplified management process. Coordination is the essence of management process. Planning, organizing, leading, and controlling are included in the management process. Coordination is essential to perform this function effectively. And I said that in organizations for the proper management, to do better management, it is said that all the workers, they should come under coordinations. Because to do properly management, there should be planning, directing, controlling, motivating. So this type of activities cannot be done in the action of proper coordination. So that's why it said that coordination plays big role or big support for the betterness of management process. Now, harmonized goal. An organization has strategic goal, tactical goal, operational goal, and personal goals. There should be harmony among the goals. The personal goals, optional goals, tactical goals should be helpful in achieving strategic goals. Such harmony brings effective coordination in an organization. Now, I said that in organizations, there will be many workers, many departments. So among different departments, there may be different departmental goals. There may be different personal goals. There may be different advanced operational goals. There may be many types of goals in organizations. So all the goals, they should harmonize. They should come together to achieve the main goal. To achieve the what goal? Main goal. Although there may be many goals, sub goals, what happens? Every organization, they have only one main goal, and to make that one main goal success, all other goals, they should come under the harmonizations. They should come under the good coordinations. They should come under the proper relations. So that proper relations, good coordinations, good harmonizations can be done only with the help of this coordination. So coordination also helps to harmonize the goals of the organizations and helps the organization to achieve the main goals. Helps the organization to get the success on their main goal. Okay. So in this video today I have explained you importance of coordinations. So now I'll send you photo. So from that photo you can note down it. Okay. Thank you all of you.